Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display only approved product in sale, purchase and invoice line using this our Dev product approval flow via products. You can see here our module Dev product approval flow. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users. In first allow these three options: can update product information, can view menu update product info, and this can validate or approve product. Let's save. Now go to inventory, go to products, go to anyone like a desk pad and see here this button. Click on this validate. You can easily see here more draft to validate it. Now display here these two buttons approve or reject. I want to approve this desk pad product. So see here again move in approved. Now go to sales. Go to anyone. I did approve this desk pad. So see here only display here desk pad, not display any other products, and save. Now go to purchase, go to anyone, add here product. So see here only display this desk pad. And now go to invoicing, go to anyone, here add product, and here also display this one product desk pad and save. Thank you.